We're going to start by adding some gold coins onto some popsicle sticks to make this cute St. Patrick's Day decor piece. Then I'm going to cut out my vinyl and do some weeding. I like to cut out the inside of my letters first, then add my transfer tape, and then do my reverse weeding. This isn't my favorite style of weeding vinyl, but I like it when it comes to working with really narrow letters on small projects. Then we're going to very carefully remove the transfer tape from our cute little bucket, and then we're going to measure out our popsicle sticks. I'm using miter scissors, not because I have to, but because I want to. I love them. Then we're going to make a bow out of scraps. These are left over from another project. I'm going to use a clothespin to hold these together and then just wrap some twine around it and tie it in a double knot. I love making scrap bows. They're just so much fun. Now, this is a plastic bucket, so I'm just going to use a wee bit of hot glue, stick my bow onto there. Then I'm going to fill it with poly pellets. These are my favorite weighted beads. Add our sticks, and just like that, we're done. If you like this video, make sure to like and follow Makeable Crafts.